Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are discussing the best recipe if you are over 18. At the age of 18 or above you may be feeling less energetic at some moments, so this recipe is energetic as well as helps to cure certain diseases like heart disease and other body deficiencies. So, first, we will be discussing the benefits of the recipe. Among the top benefits, the first benefit is nutrient dense. The combination of quinoa, black beans, vegetables and lean protein provide a range of essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. It also keeps heart healthy. The fiber, healthy fats, and protein in this recipe can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It supports weight management. This recipe is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great option for adults looking to maintain a healthy weight. It also promotes digestion. The fiber in this recipe can help to regulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Increases energy. The combination of whole grains and protein in this recipe can provide sustained energy throughout the day. Supports muscle growth and repair. The lean protein in this recipe, such as chicken or salmon, helps to build and repair muscle tissue. Boosts immune system. The vitamins and minerals in vegetables, as well as the healthy fats and protein, can help to boost the immune system. This recipe is a well-balanced, nutritious, and delicious meal that provides a range of benefits for adults. Now taking into account the ingredients for a quinoa and black bean bowl recipe. The ingredients include 1 cup of quinoa, 1 can of black beans, 1 cup of chopped vegetables, such as bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and avocado, 2 to 3 ounces of grilled chicken or salmon, optional, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. You can also add spices of your choice, such as cumin, chili powder, or garlic powder. Now here is the final cooking method for a quinoa and black bean bowl recipe. For making the recipe you need to rinse 1 cup of quinoa and place it in a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and cover. Cook for 18 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and the water has been absorbed. Meanwhile, warm 1 can of black beans in a separate pan over medium heat. Now take a large bowl, and combine the cooked quinoa and black beans. Add 1 cup of chopped vegetables of your choice, such as bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and avocado. If desired, top the bowl with 2 to 3 ounces of grilled chicken or salmon for additional protein. After doing this, take a small bowl, and whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt, pepper, and spices of your choice to make a vinaigrette. Drizzle the vinaigrette over the bowl. Serve the quinoa and black bean bowl warm and enjoy. But here is one thing you need to keep in mind. This recipe makes 4 servings and can be easily customized with your favorite vegetables and seasonings. Now if you enjoyed my video, please click the like button. We will be releasing more content for your best health.